Hey guys, so today I'm back for my 2-month update, but I wanted to show you guys what I did to my vanity. So in case you're interested, I got 2 packs of flower garland online on Amazon, and they're white and like peachy pink, and I just like intertwined them. I twist tied them together, the strands, to make them thicker. And then I just put them around my bulbs. So they're super cute. I'm like obsessed with it. And yeah, that was like a cute little DIY quarantine thing. Okay, so into the update. It's been 2 months since I've been on Spironolactone. The first month I was on 50 milligrams. If you didn't go see that video, you can go back in my videos and check that out. Now I'm on 75 milligrams a day. And I've been on that for, I guess, a month, like 4 weeks now. I just canceled my appointment with my dermatologist because of this whole quarantine thing. I just didn't want to have to be in a doctor's office more than I have to at this point in time. I asked her to re-up my dose on 75 because the results that I've gotten so far on 75 is amazing. I honestly don't feel like I need to move up to the 100 at all. So a company called Hero Cosmetics was nice enough to send me some products. Hold on one sec, I'll get them. They sent me these patches for acne blemishes where you put them on, and I'm pretty sure we've all seen these before, but I'm interested to try these and see how they work. If I'm talking really low, it's because everyone at my house is working from home and some people are on conference calls, so bear with me. But the active ingredient is salicylic acid, and this is their new rescue balm. So it hasn't come out yet. They wanted to collaborate for the launch of this product. Unfortunately, because of everything going on with quarantine, their launch date is being pushed back a little bit. So this is coming out on April 6th. You can get these at Target. So we're gonna try that out today. So I have a small blemish. It is so small, okay? Like, I was trying to find something to like use this product on, but I have no blemishes, which is a great problem to have. But everything, well, first off, let me do, this video is like all over the place. Let me just do an update of my skin, like close up. So all of this, well, first off, I don't get any breakouts up here anymore, thank freaking God. All of this is scarring. Okay, it's all scars. My chin is clear as usual. This is a scar, a gnarly scar, because this cyst is still under the skin, and I was picking at it like a, and yeah, now it's an even bigger scar, but it's okay because it's super easy to cover up with concealer. Also, my scars look really prominent right now because I self-tanned, and that always like darkens scars and everything. I put it on my face, and I don't have any makeup on right now, obviously. So yeah, this is a scar because I had a pimple that I picked at stupidly. I didn't just let it go away. And yeah, these are all scars. And you guys remember like how bad this was, but I haven't gotten a single breakout there. Going back in pictures and stuff, I was looking at the texture of my skin, and the texture of my skin has improved also. I'm not sure if spironolactone has anything to do with that. I thought spironolactone was really only for the cystic acne, but the texture of my skin is amazing. I don't know if that's because of the facials. I get microdermabrasion about every 4 weeks or so. So we're gonna use the patch today, and then I'm gonna check in with you. It says to keep it on for at least 6 hours. I'm opening this for the first time on camera. So let's see. Directions. Clean the skin before applying this product. Apply the patch and press down for 15 to 30 seconds. Remove after 6 hours. Use 1 to 2 patches for best results. The packaging is really cute. I like the simplicity of it and the color. Like, this is catchy. I think it's cute. So like I said, you can get these at Target. So it comes like this. They also gave me the variety pack. So these come with like the small, medium, large patches. If you have, I guess if you have like a big area which needs covering, which is cool because any other products that I've seen of this type don't have that, so that's cool. Oh, these are kind of big. Are these smaller? Or are those the same size? It's kind of big. Hold on one sec. Oh yeah, these are smaller. So I'm actually gonna go in with this size. You can't really see. I'm gonna go in with the variety pack because these with the other pack are just, it's too big for that spot. So just peeling that off. And now it says press down for 15 to 30 seconds. So it's 30 seconds. So honestly, it's really flesh colored. So if I wanted to go out of the house like this, like especially under my hair, I wouldn't be like embarrassed or anything because you definitely can't see it. Just for the hell of it, I want to try putting it on one of my cysts just to see. I'm not expecting anything because it's not meant for that, but I just want to try it. So I'm gonna go in with one of the bigger ones because this is a big cyst. I don't know why this spironolactone is not doing anything for my cysts, my existing cysts. I mean, it's definitely halted the formation of new ones, but so I'm just gonna put that. Ooh, wow. This one's got like little spikies on it. What? What's the difference? Micropoint. Oh, okay. So these have micropoints on them. Wow. 173 proprietary micropoints that deliver blemish busting ingredients right to the source. Interesting. Okay, so it's the same thing, like press down for 30 seconds. Okay, so that's on. So let me explain a little bit about the Rescue Balm because this is like the star of the show right here. So let's get into it. First off, I do love the packaging. I think it's really cute. Kind of reminds me of Drunk Elephant. So what this is a post blemish recovery cream. So it says cleanse and dry. Oh, by the way, I washed my face before all of this, so I did cleanse my skin. So it says just popped or just patched, blemish still noticeable. Use Rescue Balm to push the restorative process into hyperspeed. Formulated with replenishing ingredients and invisibly melts into skin to relieve the look of temporary redness, dryness, and bumps so you can bounce back fast. And it has panthenol, which I believe is vitamin B. Let's look this up. Panthenol is vitamin B5. On here, the box claims for panthenol retains moisture content, beta-glucan rapidly soothes upset skin, oligopeptides rejuvenates and fortifies. So I think maybe since salicylic acid, which is in these patches, can be a little bit irritating to the skin, depending on how sensitive you are, this will help soothe it. And yeah. So it just says cleanse and dry skin, blend Rescue Balm onto the blemish area. We'll take it from there. This is the cute little tube it comes in. I think it's so cute. I really do like it. It's like a matte finish. It's not satin like the color is. Hello. This is an expensive camera and it like drives me insane that I have to like tap the screen for it to focus. Okay. Oh, isn't that so cute? I love the like frosted matte tip, and then you have to like do that. I think it's so cute. So I'm gonna have a discount code in my description. I'm gonna try and use this for the rest of the week. I'm gonna come back in 6 hours. What time is it right now? The time is 11:30, so I will come back at 5:30, take off these little patches, put this baby on. Hey guys, I'm back. So it's probably only been like a second for you guys, but it's been 6 hours for me. So I'm gonna do the Rescue Balm. I'm gonna take off these little dots, and then I have to clean my skin and then put the Rescue Balm on top. So I'm gonna take these off. Okay, there's nothing on the little sticky pad, and I'm gonna take this one off. Nothing on this one either. Now what I'm going to do is just cleanse my skin and put this Rescue Balm on, and then we'll go from there. So just a little like more of a rundown on what this product is supposed to do. It invisibly melts into your skin to relieve the look of temporary redness, dryness, and bumps. Rescue Balm also acts as an antibacterial moisturizer to protect your skin once you have popped a pimple or used a patch. It adds moisture back into a dried out pimple and works on drier areas. So remove your patch, wash your face, apply the Rescue Balm. It can also be used on popped pimples, which I don't have any of those. So you can apply makeup on after using Rescue Balm to moisturize. Okay, so I'm going to use it all over because it is an antibacterial. So it's kind of like a paste, like a thick cream. And it is pretty thick actually, wow. Okay, whoa, this is thick. She thick. Okay. Wow. Doesn't really have a smell to it, which is good because I'd stay away from anything with fragrance in it. Make sure I get the spots where I just put a patch. Okay, so I would recommend using a little bit and dotting it all over because this is thick. So it's kind of like a matte finish. It's not like any type of glow to it. Feels like it would be a good primer because it's kind of like tacky a little bit. So I'm going to hang out with my boyfriend after dinner. So I might as well just like film my makeup and we'll see how like makeup sits on top of this. Over to my Vanity we go. For years, like my die-hard favorite concealer, ride or die, is Tarte Shape Tape, obviously. But I got new shades because, well, number one, it's 21 Days of Beauty at Ulta. So these were on sale. And this, I've just heard such great things about this. This is the J-Cat Stay Assurance Water Sealed Zero Smudge Concealer. And Kathleen Lights speaks really highly of this. I love her, so I trust her opinion. Also, over the years my skin has become a lot drier, so she seems to like these. And since, like I said, since I'm a little bit tanner now, I bought 2 shades because it's honestly too expensive to buy the Tarte Shape Tape. Like, it is what it is. I mean, like, that's just how it is. It's too expensive for the average folk. So what I do is I take the shade Custard. If I wasn't tanned right now, it's probably like the perfect shade for me. So I do like it that much. And then I take the wand from the other one, and this one is in Soft Tan because this is about a shade too dark for me. I didn't know how tan my tanner was going to make me, so I was just guessing on the swatches online. And I just like stick my applicator in there and like mix it around. And that mixes it perfect to get like my perfect shade right now. So that's about my perfect shade on my face. I just dip my finger in and then I dot it where I need it, and then I use this brush to buff it in. So I'm kind of getting like a round spot from where the patch was. Yeah, it's kind of noticeable. That's kind of a bummer. I'm still trying to like cover that spot, but that's kind of bothering me. So up close, it looks like it definitely moisturized, because keep in mind I didn't put a moisturizer on after I cleansed my skin. So that wraps it up for today's check-in. I don't think that the patch really did anything for this pimple up here, but to be fair, it's kind of like a whitehead, like an under the skin colored bump. Like, it's not like a festering pimple, so I don't think it was really like a fair shot. The only thing is I really don't have many active breakouts to actually give it a fair shot, and I haven't recently. So but the only thing that I'm really excited about is, you know, I mean, not the only thing, like, I'm excited about the Rescue Balm to see how that acts, because I'm always down for a wound healing moisturizer. Also, I just ran out of my moisturizer, so it's perfect timing to use that. And so yeah, I'll give you guys an update on how it's doing with my skin. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I suck and it's like a few days later. Nothing was like working out right. My camera stopped recording a bunch of times. It was weird. So I'm gonna just fill you in on like the whole experience of using this. I used the patches again one last time. Actually used them 3 times in total. And so this is a scar up here. But this below it was a pimple, and now it's completely flat. So I do think that the patches work. I also had blemishes over here. They were like under the skin bumps. I'm pretty sure it's from like self-tanning on my face. But that cleared up too with the patches. So I used 3 patches. So that's a total of 18 hours since you have to use them for 6 hours at a time. And then I wanted to mention that I really think that the Rescue Balm really helped this scar go down a little bit. Maybe it's in my head because it doesn't claim to help with scarring, but it does claim to help with redness and like wound healing. So going back like in my earlier clip when I edit this, I'm curious to see if my scar is as noticeable, but I really do feel like it helped my scar a little bit, like at least the darkness around the scar. So yeah, that's a plus. I mentioned in my last clip, or you know, from the other day, that I'm gonna have a discount code. I believe it's for herocosmetics.com, and that'll be in the description box. I recommend this product to like people with acne scarring, acne scabs that are having trouble going away. You know, if you are someone who likes to pick at your skin, or doesn't like to, but has the problem of picking at your skin, that'll be, I think, a little bit helpful to speed up the healing process. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to come back for month 3 for Spironolactone. I'm so excited to see where my skin is at. And so yeah, just one last look. And I will talk to you guys next month. Bye.